Salutations, my loyal subjects! Queen Gwen here with our royal retailer Newegg to assemble a brand new gaming PC with you, the people. But not just any high-powered PC is fit for my court. This queen demands a king, and the all-new Montech King 95 Pro PC case is instant PC royalty. This regal case is spacious, stylish, and versatile with the ability to offer greater airflow for performance builders or a unique wraparound glass design for incredible aesthetic opportunities. If a case is a gaming queen's castle, then its components are her knights. And I do not suffer, fools! I must have champions! That's what I'll be building with Sir Intel Core i7-13700K, kept cool by Montech Air Cooler DT24. A castle this spacious can accommodate even the largest 40 series graphics card. Powering this killer computer is the legendary Montech Titan Gold 1000 watt high-end gaming PSU with gold certified efficiency as well as ATX 3.0 and PCI Gen 5.0 compliance. This PC will be both my palace and powerhouse. In times of peace, the Montech King 95 signature curved glass allows the ARGB inside to shine in full glory. But when it's time for battle, I can fortify my fortress by using the rotary side fan bracket and swapping the beautiful glass front for a combat-ready mesh panel to maximize airflow. I can't wait to get started, so let's get building. Today we will be using a 2TB SSD from Crucial. Easy to pop out. The glass panel should be easy to pop out as well. Yes. This is Montech's DT24 Premium. This has 6 copper heat pipes to effectively dissipate the heat. It is strategically designed to keep it under 30 dBs. Your PC will be whisper quiet. So with this design, it also has RGB wrap around it. Once we power this up, we'll be able to see all the pretty lights. This case is extremely spacious right now. We can actually fit a 40 series GPU. You can see here that you can fit multiple SSD or HDD drives on the back. So with the Pro, you can get the case fans included. These case fans are incredible. The RGB is beautifully vivid with a total of 20 LEDs and 9 specifically designed wing-shaped blades in each fan. You can feel the quality in these materials, and that quality translates into nearly silent operations. Now we'll put the faceplate back on and simply just slide and done. Now we have the Titan Gold 1000 watt PSU. It's a feature-proof power supply with ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compliance. It also features a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan with 0 RPM mode that keeps it completely silent until it reaches 40% load, and is highly efficient with both 80+ gold and cybernetics gold certification. The King 95 has 2 front panel options, a mesh panel and a glass panel. One advantage of the mesh panel is this adjustable side fan bracket that can be rotated to the front for improved airflow with the mesh panel. With the side fan bracket rotated to the front, the King 95 can have up to 11 fans in the case. Keep in mind, these additional fans are sold separately. Now we have the mesh panel installed. This is what it would look like if you turn your side fan bracket to the front and install the 2 additional fans to the side. For this build though, we're going to show you what the glass panel looks like. I personally like it because I love the curved glass. We have the 4090. Damn, that's so crazy. We got the Montech GPU bracket here to hold up this monster. There it is, a truly royal PC thanks to Montech and the beautiful King 95 Pro PC case. A princely performance PC case at popper prices. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to learn more. And let me know in the comments if your build will have the curved glass or high airflow mesh front panel. Once again, I'm Queen Gwen, this is Montech King 95 Pro, and I decree you should get yours today at Newegg.com.